They're cute, but are they cuddly? Dr. Amy Guernsey with University Veterinary Care Center is here to talk about ferrets as pets. Good morning.
Morning.
Do ferrets make good pets?
Well, I might be a little biased because my husband and I owned several for many years, so I think they do. They're very fun. They're very inquisitive, a lot of fun to watch, but they are a lot of work. So do your research before you get into them, but they can be really good pets.
Well, they're so cute. They look cuddly. I don't know if they are, but they look cuddly.
Depends on the ferret. I haven't met a whole lot that like to curl up with you. They tend to like to just go off and explore, but a few might snuggle up.
Okay, well, what do we need to know before we adopt a ferret?
So do know that ferrets do need certain vaccinations, rabies and distemper specifically. Do take them in, get them health checked, and just like you would your dog or cat, they usually do yearly checkups with them. Look into the cage type, food type, all of that goes with it, and understand kind of their lifestyle before you commit to them.
Now, how big of a cage do they need?
So ferrets need a little bit more room than, say, like a hamster or a guinea pig. Okay. We usually recommend the multi-level cages. No aquariums. They need a lot of ventilation. And we prefer solid flooring for them so that you can put good bedding material in there. They can be litter box trained, so you want the cage to be big enough to accommodate that as well. And most of them, well, not most of them, they all need time outside of that cage to play. Know that they will get into everything, so when you're giving them that supervised play time, make sure that you've done a good job of ferret-proofing your home before they
Ferret-proofing, I like it. Now, are they social creatures? Do they need to have a buddy, or are they okay solo?
They are pretty social. We used to joke that ferrets are like potato chips. You can't just have one, and they kind of pop around too. Yeah, so usually they like to have at least one buddy to curl up with. A group of ferrets is known as a business, so you can have a business of ferrets in your home.
Learn something new every day.
Yeah.
Well, let's talk life expectancy. What is the life expectancy of a ferret?
So they typically live between 6 to 9 years. I've met a few that made it to 10 or 11, but they were sort of the exception to the rule. So, you know, a decent life there.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, they sound like they could be a good pet for the right family. Do they get along well with other animals?
They can, as long as the other animals are accommodating to them. I've met a lot of ferrets that do great with cats and dogs. Keep in mind that because they're little weasel animals, they look like prey to some cats and dogs, so keep that in mind that they do run the risk of injury if your cat or dog is not used to them running around the house.
Okay, Dr. Guernsey, thank you for being here with us this morning and sharing that information on ferrets. And if you would like more information about University Veterinary Care Center, just head over to universityvetcare.com.